Hello everyone, welcome to Celebs Record, and in this video we describe that Jacob Bathel is one of cricket's rising stars, making waves with his incredible talent and determination. But what's like beyond the pitch, from his early beginnings to his family, career highlights and net worth in 2025? We are diving deep into his journey. Let's get started. Early life of Jacob Bathel. Jacob was born on 23 of October 2003 in Barbados. Jacob Graham Bathel was immersed in cricket from a young age. His grandfather, Arthur Bathel, was a first-class cricketer, which influenced Jacob's early passion for the sport. He attended Harrison College in Barbados, a school renowned for producing cricket talent. At 12, Jacob moved to England on a scholarship to rugby school, where he continued to hone his cricketing skills. Education of Jacob Bathel. Jacob's educational journey began at Harrison College in Barbados. After relocating to England, he attended rugby school, benefiting from a scholarship that allowed him to develop both academically and athletically. The environment of rugby school played a pivotal role in shaping his cricketing career. What do we know about his career? Jacob's cricketing career commenced in England, where he joined Warwickshire County Cricket Club. He made his 2020 debut on the June 2021 in the T20 Blast. His performance in domestic cricket led to his selection for the England Under-19 team, where he served as vice-captain during the 2022 ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup. Notably, he scored a half-century in his third T20I match against West Indies in Barbados, becoming the youngest Englishman to achieve this feat. He made his Test debut on November 28, 2024 against New Zealand, scoring an unbeaten 50 in the second innings. What do we know about his family? Jacob hails from a cricketing family. His grandfather, Arthur Bathel, played first-class cricket, and his father was also involved in the sport. The familial connection to cricket provided Jacob with a strong foundation and sports system throughout his journey. Ethnicity of Jacob. Jacob Bathel is of Barbadian descent. Born and raised in Barbados, he carries the rich cultural heritage of the Caribbean, which has influenced his approach to cricket and life. Let's know about his marital status. As of 2025, Jacob Bathel is unmarried and has no publicly disclosed any information regarding his personal relationship. Social media fans following. Jacob maintains a presence on social media platform where he shares insights into his cricketing journey and personal life. His engaging content has garnered a growing number of followers, reflecting his rising popularity among cricket enthusiasts. Let's know about his some facts. Fact number 1. Cricket legend Brian Lara identified Jacob's talent when he was just 11 years old. Fact number 2. Jacob scored 202 runs in 2 days fixture for rugby school against Marlborough College, setting an modern-day record. And fact number 3, he became the youngest Englishman to score a half-century in a T20 international at the age of 21 years and 17 days. At last of them, let me know about his total net worth. As of 2025, Jacob Bathel net worth is not publicly disclosed. However, considering his professional cricket contracts, endorsements, and league participations, it is anticipated to be a substantial for an athlete of his age and experience. Jacob Batthel's journey from Barbados to representing England on the international stage exemplifies dedication, talent, and the sport of a strong cricketing lineage. His career continues to be one of to watch as he contributes to sports future. So my friends, this was the lifestyle of Jacob Bedham, and what's your personal opinion about this lifestyle? So tell me in your comment box. Or if you want to more this type of celebrity videos, so don't forget to press the bell icon. Keep smile, stay blessed, and all the best.